vlogging. So this is the vlog that you guys are waiting for. So let's go. So we found out that we can't drop our bag there. So we need to wait. So let's go and eat first. So no more GST. Hey guys, yeah, I know it's less talking in day one, I know, but it's just like we're in the airport, we have a lot of rush, we rush every, you know the situation in the airport, so I kinda have a chance to shut a little bit of things. Yeah, I'm super sorry guys. Maybe day 2 there'll be a little more talking. Yeah, maybe, just maybe, because tomorrow we'll just go to the airport and go to Hong Kong and then go to the hotel. That's all. And day 1, day 2 is pretty boring actually. Yeah. Oh, you want a room tour of this place? No, this place is bad. Yeah. See you on day 2. Hey guys, yeah. So today it's day 2. So now it's 4:23 a.m. Our flight will be on 8 a.m. So we will arrive at Hong Kong around 12 or 1 p.m. It's just such a rushing day. Yes, we're now super tired, but it's worth the journey. So exciting adventures will gonna be starting tomorrow. So that's all. See you later. Now proceeding for landing. Yeah. Okay, so we have arrived at Hong Kong, and so now we're in the hotel. So before that, a b-roll of this room tour. So guys, after this we'll go eat, and then tonight we'll go to the Victoria Peak. This place is just super busy, guys. Ooh, the sun is too bright. Bad time for vlog. But that is the use for Andy Field.
Look at that, guys. What? That is huge. And yeah, it's huge and tall and wow, 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 wow. That is super great.